What's going on, guys? Welcome to the official UAC studio. All right, you guys, so this is extremely exciting for us. This is the new UAC headquarters studio. This is where it's all going down, you guys. So we finally got our own space. As you can see, it's a house. So I decided to go against the whole, you see tech YouTubers, when they get their own spot, they get a building, a warehouse, something crazy. We're the average consumers over here. So we want to keep that homey vibe, something that is relatable to you guys. If we're talking about, I don't know, kitchen tech or maybe bedroom tech, we want it to feel legit. So this is what we got. We got our hands on a little place that we're gonna be calling home for the foreseeable future. All of this, of course, is only possible thanks to you guys for watching the channel over all of these years. It's a decade now, man. That's crazy. Wait.
Hey guys, this is your average consumer.
It's 11 years now.
11 years.
What?
Over a decade.
Man,
you are old.
Yeah, all right, thanks, Jay. But yeah, guys, this is all only possible thanks to you guys. This is finally where we're going to be able to make the videos so much better. We're gonna be able to flex our creativity in here, basically set ourselves up so that we can have the ultimate space to shoot and show you guys the latest and of course, greatest technology. But as you guys can see, it's a bit of a wreck in here. We got stuff taken out and it's wild. But we're working. I wanted to get in and show you guys kind of lay of the land before we changed everything and we renovated the things to fit our needs, so I could get your input. Because I do care about your input and what your thoughts are, maybe things that you would like to see in the future. Kind of let you guys know some of the things I have in mind. But yeah, that's enough talking. Let's take a look at what we got. So, I mean, it's pretty much a house, very similar layout to the house that I have at home. This is like a slightly smaller version of that. So we've got 2 rooms on each side. This is gonna be like our B-roll room, right, Jay? Where we have like really nice, cool looking furniture. We get to take nice B-roll shots of products and whatnot.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, that's what this is. We need to add some lights. It's dark in here. And that's what's great about like having our own space. In the current studio that we have, we're renting it. We can't make all the changes we would like to. Here, we do whatever we want. And adding lights is gonna be a priority for this, but this should be dope. This should be a really cool looking spot. And right—
Put a bar door here.
Oh, yeah. I like the way you think, Jay. That could fit the vibe, yeah. See, you guys, this is all very rough for us right now, so as we go, we're gonna be coming up with ideas. If you guys were like, yo, Jay, that's a horrible idea, don't do it, let us know in the comments. This is going to be where we have like editors, people working. This is where everyone's desk is gonna be, basically. So there's a bunch of like carpet and cardboard and tile that's broken up from across the house, so this is a bit of a dump right now. But this is where the editors are gonna be. This is as soon as you come in, you're gonna be able to jump in, grab a computer, do what you need to do. We're gonna get rid of this horrible, horrible chandelier. Oh man, this is really cheap. Jay, maybe we throw up those hexagons with the logo of some sort up here on this wall. That could be cool. But yeah, those are the 2 rooms you see as soon as you enter the space. We're also gonna switch up the staircase. I have some cool ideas in mind, some things I've been seeing on Pinterest. I think this could be a really, really good visual spot in the house. Literally, this is the spot I think about the most when it comes to this entire place. I think about these stairs. I've been talking about it for a really long time now. But check it out, guys, like right here, this is going to be our new A-roll set. So basically, me in front of here in some shape or form with a desk or something maybe. And listen, let's be honest. It's not like the current studio where we got the giant windows and the trains going in the background. That's beautiful. But we can't have trains behind this house. That's not how it is. So we just, we changing, it's cool. It's gonna look good though. But yeah, we got rid of the mantle over here, so it looks a lot cleaner. I'm letting you guys in on all the secrets right here. So I'm thinking about using those nano leaf, those sticks with the lights behind them.
Oh, hitting the wall instead of facing the...
Yeah, so it'll hit the wall instead of, coming out towards us. And then maybe putting LED lights of some sort in the back of here. And then putting props on each of these. I don't know.
Gundams, right?
Yeah, that's gonna be good though. Who am I kidding? But I feel like there's a really good opportunity to have a really nice stage behind us. I wish this wasn't a fireplace though, I will say. If you guys have any ideas what you think could be really cool for this area, things that you would like to see, let us know. Also, these floors are gonna get changed. So we got hardwood floors right now, but in my experience in doing what we do, we carry around tripods and equipment. These are gonna get pretty beat up. So we're thinking we'll throw some like walnut looking vinyl floors on top of this, protect it, and also get that look that we're going for. We want that walnut look. Now, over here, it's a bit crazy. So this is our kitchen, you guys. So a lot is going to change here. Like, we'll probably paint the cabinets. These cabinets they're not bad. These are pretty solid cabinets. Cabinets, you guys, are expensive.
They are.
I don't know why, but they're really expensive. So we painting these. We're gonna change this to like a quartz countertop. It's gonna be white as well. Like, the kitchen's not a big deal. We don't shoot a ton of videos in the kitchen, but we do get our hands on some pretty awesome kitchen tech. So we gotta make sure this looks right in here as well. So when we are showing that stuff, it'll look good on camera. But man, this place is ugly right now. Oof, golly. See, we need those like crazy fancy refrigerators and all that. Kind of like the Samsung Family Hub that we had before in the house. And over here, we don't have anything too special. It's just a laundry room, pretty basic. I'm not gonna do anything in here, honestly. Leave that alone.
We are not?
It's a laundry room, Jay. What are we gonna do in here?
But are we gonna use it? Can I bring my clothes in?
Jay, you got a house, man. So check it out.
Garage door.
We got security, baby. All right, so this is our garage. And interestingly enough, there's a lot of tech in here. So basically what we've got right here is everything that was in what was supposed to be the gamer's paradise. That whole setup area up there is all in here now. This is just all in the single garage. So until everything gets done on the outside, or I guess the inside of the house, this stuff is gonna live here for a little bit.
But is that coming though? The gamer's paradise?
Oh, listen, you guys. Let's talk about that.
Okay.
So we got lots of stuff from the original Gamer's Paradise in here that we will be bringing, and that's the hard part. We're not really sure where, but I'll show you some of our ideas on where we're thinking the Gamer's Paradise can be. All right, so let's show you guys upstairs. Oh, real quick. We got a bathroom over here and a closet, no big deal. Moving on, this, where my fancy stairs will be, an elevator. Jay, you know how much of a waste of money that would be? Harry does too. Up here, we got like 4 different rooms. This is like the primary bedroom, master bedroom. This is going to be like our entertainment living room area kind of space. Since this is basically a studio, we don't need a fancy bedroom or anything in here. And because there's like no real living room area downstairs, I'm thinking big old TV, a nice couch, a desk setup maybe over there on that side. One thing I do have to say though, this place has quite a bit of storage. So a lot of those old cell phones and different pieces of old tech, we can kind of like keep track of them inside of here, which is gonna be nice. But basically, this is that living room area.
It's not gonna be a gamer's paradise?
Not in here.
Not
This, I mean, obviously, we're gonna have consoles, we're gonna have, maybe a desk setup with a PC that you can game on, but this isn't going to be the paradise. Or maybe the whole thing is the paradise. You know, maybe the whole thing. Like you want to play console, maybe you come upstairs, you play with the big old console on a big screen TV. You want to do like a dedicated gaming PC setup, you go into this room. This is going to be sound treated though, because I'm thinking in this room, right here, we'll have like a serious streaming setup. So this is where we have like a dedicated gaming PC, all the lights, maybe we have like the green screen thing that you can pull up behind us from Elgato, remember that thing? Maybe we'll have that there. This will be sound treated so this echo doesn't stay here. Maybe we have a section over here so Jay, Dom, and I can get on a podcast and we can talk to our hearts are just full.
It's gonna be a ASMR silence.
So yeah, streaming room, gaming PC room. This is a bathroom. I'm not touching the bathroom. Bathroom's gonna stay as is.
Oh, you didn't talk about the master bathroom.
I mean, bathrooms, they're boring.
I wanna
You wanna see it? All right. So this is the master bathroom. I mean, it's not bad. It's a pretty nice bathroom. This part right here is kind of crazy to me. This shower has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different heads. You can get a full shower, a full body shower massage thing. That's kind of cool. They also have a towel warmer. You ever use one of these?
No.
So when you take a shower or your bath, whatever you do, you throw your towel on here, it warms it up.
Oh.
This thing heats up, your towels get warm, you got a nice toasty towel when you're...
Cool.
Why not? Got a little closet with a mirror. Bam, shout out to the team. Over here, I don't know, Jay. I don't know what we do with this room. Maybe we make this a bedroom so that we can show cool bedroom tech.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say we can actually sleep.
Can't sleep on the job. You can't sleep on the job, man. So that would be pretty good though. Like, yo, I would go take my lunch, take a nap real quick. Initially, I thought like a top-down setup where we had the camera down, we kind of able to do unboxings. Maybe we could do that downstairs. I'm starting to feel more and more like we do that in the basement, which we haven't shown you guys yet. And then we do something else with this. So what do you guys think? Let us know, throw some ideas at us. What could we use this potentially extra room for? Let us know in a comment. Now, across from that room is this little room, and this is going to be my office. You guys really didn't get to see my office much in the previous studio. Maybe we'll throw up some B-roll or something. So in my office, in the studio, as well as that upstairs office, remember? We had that area where we did the smart home course. If you haven't checked out my smart home course, I'll have it linked down below. We're basically gonna be using all the same principles in that video right here in this house to basically flush this place out with the coolest tech where everything is basically automated and controlled by our voices. If you wanna learn how we're gonna do that, I'll of course have the link down below in the description. Check out the course. In that course, I provide a ton of different price ranges. So if you wanna start getting a smart home for the cheap, I got you. If you wanna ball out, I got you. But with my smart home course aside, the space that we used to make those videos is essentially the vibe we're gonna go for up here, that walnut black look. Now, here's my question, another question for you guys. Do you wanna see the process behind each of these rooms as we set them up? If we wanna make this like an entire series as we go along and create each of the setups for each room, let me know. If that's something you guys are interested in, I think we can make that happen. We also got some good storage in here. This is why it's gonna be my office. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I love the cabinets that they got. So many drawers, mouses, smartphones, cables, Gundam weapons, and listen, it's gonna be crazy in here. But yeah, you guys, those are the rooms that we have up here. We're gonna change out this banister and make this all look really modern. Gotta change that chandelier. But there's one more space that we haven't shown you guys, and that's the basement. It's unfinished, but we might have some workarounds for that. Come check it out. So right between the kitchen and the editor's area. We got the basement. All right, so this is the basement area. And when I first got this place, I was like, yeah, this is awesome. We got all this room for activities, right? But I don't know. Looking at all of this looks like it might prove a little difficult to turn into what we had initially in mind. Down here is where I initially thought gamer's paradise. We're gonna have gaming PCs, VR, all the things. It's supposed to be amazing, but I don't know if this is going to come together the way I initially thought, but that's the plan. If we can make it happen, this is where the new Gamer's Paradise is going to go down. But we got that side, and we also got this really long side as well. We don't got a lot of clearance here, so I don't know if this makes a really good spot for what we're trying to do. If we can't turn this into what we want it to be, it'll be storage. But this is supposed to be the Gamer's Paradise. This is the original idea. Gamer's Paradise should be going down in here. But yeah, there is a lot of space here, and that means a lot of potential. So we'll give it a try. Hopefully we can make something really cool happen down here. And while we're on the topic of Gamer's Paradise, what would you guys want to see in the Gamer's Paradise? You know, like that was many moons ago when we did the original 1 and 2. 3 has to be like the most epic thing in the world, right? It has to be. We've been talking about it for years. Let me know what you guys want to see. So this whole video is really about us collaborating with the community, you guys letting us know what you want to see, what you want implemented, that kind of stuff. Your feedback is so important. So please sound off in the comments. I really want to make something that anybody could look at and be like, oh yeah, I like how he did that. I'm gonna implement that into my own space. You know the deal. I feel like we've covered everything, right? Let's go back upstairs. All right. Oh, not to mention, I don't know if you guys can see it, but we got this crazy deck over here. It's super long. And we even have access to like this stream of water, which is, it's nice out there. It's cold, so we're not going out there, but it looks great over there. So I don't know, maybe you guys want to see me review some grills. I can't cook, or I don't know what we would do out there, but it should look good on camera. That's the idea. But yeah, this is it. This is the new UAC studio. You are seeing a very early version of it. It is going to look 1,000,000% different once we're through, but we gotta wrap it up soon. Okay, I got my second baby on the way, coming within a month. Golly, that's scary to think about. But we gotta move, you guys. We gotta move. We're gonna get this thing together. I'm really pumped. Hopefully you guys come along with us for the journey. If you wanna see how we're going to implement all the tech into our spaces, if you guys wanna see how we build everything out, let me know. I think that'll be pretty cool to see and make videos about. But yeah, wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. Appreciate you all. Catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace. We got a lot of work to do, you guys. Yeah. Can somebody else do it?